Hello, this is your BNB specialist, and today I'm going to talk about cancellations and reviews. Right, so everyone knows that on Airbnb, someone has to stay in your property to be able to write a review. Okay, it is not entirely true. Okay, if the guest cancels the booking on the day of the arrival, okay, let's say your check-in time was 3 o'clock and the guest cancels booking, for example, 6 o'clock in the morning or even at 12 o'clock, they can still leave a review. Okay, Airbnb will still send them an invite asking them to review it. Okay, I know it's very controversial, it's not ideal, they've not even stayed in your property, why should they get to review it? But the reason for that, Airbnb says, is it's about getting a feedback on the experience you've offered to the guest up till that point. This is what their explanation is. I know this is not ideal, but this is how it works. If the person cancels the reservation on the day of their arrival, irrespective of why they canceled, on what was the scenario and what were the circumstances, they will still get an invite to write a review for you. Okay, and the reason it is important to know is, be very careful when we deal with those people. Okay, when someone is canceling your reservation on the day, they are most likely not going to get a refund back. Okay, and they will message you asking for a refund because they had a breakdown or someone fell sick and that kind of stuff. So be very careful when you're dealing with the last minute cancellation, because they will get to review it. Okay, it's very tricky. There is no right or wrong answer, so I won't tell you what to say, what not to say. Feel free to decline their refund request. Feel free to offer them a partial refund. It's up to you. It's up to your customer services skills. But most important thing to note is, be mindful when you're dealing with the last minute cancellations. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to share my videos and do like and subscribe my channel so I can share some more videos with you. All the best. Happy hosting.